Hey everyone, welcome back to Katai Pite. Today, we're diving into a powerful mindset shift that can completely transform your life. Get ready to learn about the growth mindset and how it can turn your challenges into opportunities. Ever feel like you're stuck in a never-ending loop of failure and frustration? What if I told you that changing just one thing about how you think could make all the difference? Let's talk about the growth mindset. It's a concept introduced by psychologist Carol Dweck, and it's all about believing that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. In contrast, a fixed mindset is the belief that your talents and intelligence are static, meaning you're either born with them or you're not. But here's the game changer. The growth mindset flips this script. It's about seeing every challenge as an opportunity to grow and every setback as a stepping stone to success. So how do you make this shift? Let's break it down step by step. First, let's understand what a growth mindset really looks like. It's about having a passion for learning and resilience. You see obstacles as chances to develop, rather than as roadblocks. For example, if you're struggling with a new skill, instead of thinking, "I'm just not good at this," try saying, "I'm not good at this yet, but I'm improving with practice." When you adopt a growth mindset, you also become more open to feedback. Instead of taking criticism personally, you see it as valuable input to help you get better. This mindset shift can drastically change how you approach both personal and professional challenges. Let's look at some real-life examples. Take Thomas Edison, for instance. He failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. Instead of giving up, he saw each failure as a lesson and a step closer to success. Or consider J.K. Rowling, who faced numerous rejections before finally publishing the Harry Potter series. Her growth mindset kept her going despite the setbacks. These examples show that a growth mindset can help you persevere through difficulties and eventually achieve your goals. So, how can you start cultivating a growth mindset in your own life? Here are some actionable steps. 1. Change your self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with positive, growth-oriented ones. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," try, "I'm learning how to do this." 2. Set learning goals. Focus on what you want to learn rather than just achieving a specific outcome. For example, instead of aiming to win the competition, set a goal to improve my skills in this area. 3. Embrace challenges. Step out of your comfort zone and tackle new and difficult tasks. Embracing challenges will help you grow and learn faster. 4. Seek feedback. Ask for feedback from others and use it constructively. Remember, feedback is a tool for growth, not a critique of your abilities. 5. Celebrate efforts, not just results. Recognize and reward your hard work and perseverance, even if you haven't achieved the final goal yet. By following these steps, you'll start to see the world differently. Challenges become opportunities and setbacks become valuable lessons. Of course, shifting to a growth mindset isn't always easy. You might face resistance from yourself or others, but here's how to overcome common challenges. 1. Dealing with setbacks. Remind yourself that setbacks are part of the journey. Reflect on what you've learned and use it to adjust your approach. 2. Handling criticism. When receiving feedback, focus on the constructive aspects and ignore any negativity. Use it as a tool to improve. 3. Staying motivated. Keep reminding yourself of your goals and why you started. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage your growth. Remember, developing a growth mindset is a continuous process. It requires practice and patience, but the rewards are worth it. So there you have it, how a simple shift in mindset can transform your life. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and celebrate your growth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Katai Pite for more inspiring content, and share this with anyone who might benefit from a mindset makeover. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on adopting a growth mindset, and let us know how you're planning to apply it. Thanks for watching. Keep growing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.